Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, I'm Adi from Bahasa course in Panamazilna Sumbatumbat. Right now I'm having lunch, but I want to share a tip I think to improve our English. One of them is when we look at something or an object and we don't really know the English, we need to find out, right? The example, this one. Um, I asked my friend from Australia, and she told me this one is uh, rice spoon, right? And this one inner pot, yeah. Once again, inner pot, and then plate. I think you have now this one, right? Yes, you're so right. This one is spoon, the glass, the container, or Ma'am Rebecca from Australia also told me that one is like a cooking container, and I believe you have now this one, right? Kettle. And the last one, yep. She also told me that one is if I'm not mistaken, sauce bottle. All right, sauce bottle. The bottle of sauce or sauce bottle. All right, I think that's it. And don't forget is to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and also ring the bell. Inshallah, we will make another video. Inshallah. All right, Amadi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.